at 10:25, when, among others, we shall be seeing the world's #1 player, Eric Bristow.
Tonight on 2, enjoy the high life of Europe in the 20s in a BBC production of Tender is the Night.
Come on, Nicole, what did you buy?
Oh, nothing much, darling.
Nothing much at
No, Jewel. Oh, well, just a few beads and baubles, you know. Oh, well, what? And things, you know, like a rubber alligator.
Oh, goody. I prefer rubber.
Oh, isn't it wonderful to be in Paris? We'll have fun, won't we? Lots of fun.
Loads of fun.
Nicole, isn't it a lonely life owning me?
It irritates you, my need for attention all the time. I never let you out of my hair, because if I did, I would...
Nicole, if you insist on making me your keeper...
Oh, I do.
Let me look after a bright Nicole. Let there be gaiety.
Tender is the Night, a classic love story, begins tonight at 9:30, with a repeat on Thursday at 10 o'clock on BBC2.
The 6 o'clock news with Sue Lawley and Andrew Harvey has just started on BBC One, and on BBC Two now, Basil Rathbone takes on a task from British intelligence in Sherlock Holmes and the Voice of Terror.